Today we'll show you how to use background in your Google Forms. Okay, just don't forget like, subscribe, and thank you for watching. First go to points and go here to Google Forms. Here and now you can open your project, your old project, or what you have. Just we will now create a new project like this. And now we have this. If you have all this, okay, it's okay. Just now go to it's customized theme. Okay, just click and go now here to choose image. Click, and first here you can put your theme from Google, like travel, like other, like work of school, like food and dining. You can do everything. Okay, guys, or you can upload from here. You can like this and just click to this and upload it. Okay, just now to click, and now finally you can like this. It's so good and done. Okay, now look at this. It's so beautiful. Now you can change here from here the colors of this and the color of the background like this, and you can do it. Okay, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.